I have decided to start something new on this channel, a 30-day vocabulary series. Yes, why? Because while learning English, I realized something. Many of us want to speak fluent, but we struggle. Why? Because our vocabulary is limited. Yes. And honestly, guys, I am also learning. So I thought instead of learning alone, why not to learn one useful word together in every video? So let's start. So hello everyone, my name is Harsha. I am from Gujarat. Today, day 1 of our 30-day vocabulary challenge. So today's word of the day is evolve. Yes, repeat after me. Evolve. Now let's understand the meaning. It means to gradually develop, grow or improve over time. In Hindi you can say धीरे धीरे किसी चीज में विकसित होना या बेहतर बनना. Now let's look at some synonyms of this word. Progress, grow, transform, develop. So instead of these words, you can also use evolve. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. My English is evolving because I practice speaking every day. Next, with time and effort, every learner evolves. Your confidence will evolve when you start speaking regularly. See, one word can express your growth and learning journey. How this is possible? Because of practice. Yes. And now guys, this is your challenge. Take one diary or notebook. Write this word and try to frame at least 5 to 6 sentences using this word. And you can relate it with your life or your journey. Because guys, when you repeat a word again and again, it will automatically goes into your muscle memory. And this is how we will use this word naturally. So from today, try to use this word in your conversation as much as possible. And guys, you can see I have also written this word in my diary and I have framed sentences also. So you can also do this, and if you are joining this challenge with me, then write in the comment box day 1 is done. So guys, I'll see you in my next video with another new word with day 30-day vocabulary series. Thank you so much. Bye bye.